the simple passive income blueprint. Earn $100 daily with minimal effort. Unlock the secret to easy money. Your passive income journey starts here. Hey there, future financial freedom seeker. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to wake up to money flowing into your bank account while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you that earning $100 or more daily with minimal effort isn't just a pipe dream, but a real possibility? That's right. We're talking about potentially pocketing an extra $3,000 per month or more. Now I know what you're thinking. I've tried everything and nothing seems to work. Trust me, I've been there too. The endless cycle of trading time for money, feeling stuck in the 9-to-5 grind, watching your savings account barely budge. It's frustrating, isn't it? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple passive income blueprint, a step-by-step guide that can help you earn $100 or more daily with minimal effort. We'll explore proven strategies that anyone, yes, even you can implement starting today, unlocking your passive income potential, the power of digital real estate. Let's kick things off with what I like to call digital real estate. Just like physical real estate can generate rental income, digital real estate can create a steady stream of passive income. But instead of dealing with tenants and maintenance, we're talking about websites and domain names. Here's how it works. You buy a domain name for a few bucks, build a simple website around a specific niche, and monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or digital product. The key is to choose topics people are searching for but aren't oversaturated. For example, let's say you're into vintage watches. You could create a site that reviews and compares different models. As your site grows in popularity, you can earn money through watch affiliate programs or by placing ads on your site. Automated e-commerce, your 24/7 money machine. Next up, we have automated e-commerce. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't running an online store a lot of work? It can be, but not if you do it smart. Enter dropshipping and print on demand. These business models allow you to sell products without ever touching inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the order goes straight to your supplier, who handles shipping and fulfillment. The best part, you can automate much of the process using tools like Shopify and Oberlo. Set it up once, and you've got a 24/7 money-making machine. Content creation, monetizing your knowledge. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite passive income strategies. Whether it's a YouTube channel, a blog, or an Instagram account, creating valuable content can lead to serious passive income. The key here is to create evergreen content, stuff that stays relevant over time. For instance, if you're a fitness enthusiast, you could create workout videos or nutrition guides. Once you've built up a library of content, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or by selling your own digital products. Remember, the work is front-loaded here. You put in the effort up front to create the content, but it continues to generate income long after you've published it. Investing in dividend stocks, building wealth while you sleep. Last but not least, let's touch on a more traditional form of passive income, dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. By building a portfolio of solid dividend-paying stocks, you can create a steady stream of passive income. The best part, as you reinvest your dividends, your income potential grows over time. It's like planting a money tree that gets bigger and produces more fruit each year. All right, let's recap our simple passive income blueprint. We've covered 4 powerful strategies: digital real estate, automated e-commerce, content creation, and dividend investing. Now I want to be clear. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Building passive income takes time, effort, and patience. But with consistency and the right strategy, you can create a reliable income stream that grows over time. So, what's your next move? Start by choosing one strategy that resonates with you. Research it thoroughly, make a plan, and take that first step. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on building financial freedom. Thanks for watching and happy searching.